Hi, I'm back again with another one of your favorite Asian recipes. Today we'll be doing some stir-fried chicken with cashew nuts and dry red chilies. I have some chicken over here that I have diced. I'm going to use just the yolk of the egg to give a little bit of binding to my chicken. A small pinch of sugar just to balance out the flavors again. In Asian cuisine, the balance of flavors is very important between sweet, spicy, sour, salty. When you have a perfect balance of these ingredients or flavors, that's when you get a perfect dish. A bit of sesame oil for that lovely fragrance. A little bit of corn flour. What the corn flour does in the marination is it helps to keep all the spices stuck to the chicken. We'll mix them all together. We shall let this marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we'll coat it in corn flour and potato flour and deep fry it. Potato flour and corn flour. I have just added some potato starch and some corn flour, and we will quickly deep fry our chicken. Now we will start deep frying our chicken. I have some oil that I have already preheated in a pan. Our chicken is getting some wonderful color now. I'm using the white meat of the chicken today, so it's going to be cooking really fast, so keep an eye on it. I'll start preparing my sauce in the pan in the meantime. Now this is the ingredient that gives this dish this amazing flavor. Some red Kashmiri chilies and quite a few of them. I'm just going to quickly saute them so my oil picks up all the lovely flavor from the chilies and the color as well. Our chicken is almost done. I'm going to take it out now on a paper towel. I'm going to put in some of my garlic, chopped ginger, some Sichuan bean paste, some sugar. This dish is a combination of the sweet sugary flavor and the chilliness. That's why this dish uses a little bit more sugar than regular. Salt, bit of black pepper powder, and just some water. Some rice wine vinegar, some Chinese rice wine, and a few drops of sesame oil. Our sauce has been simmering for a bit now. Now we can add in our chicken. At this point of time, we'll also throw in some fresh spring onions, and we will thicken it with a little bit of corn flour that we have dissolved in water. We'll add in our fried chilies. And I have some fried cashew nuts that I'm going to add in the end. And now we'll plate up our dish. To garnish this dish, I have got some fried rice vermicelli noodles, which I'm going to put on my platter. I'm just going to form a small nest of the noodles, in the middle of which I'm going to put my chicken. I love the contrast of colors in this dish. The deep red of the chilies, the lovely golden of the chicken and the cashew nuts, the green from the spring onions. Here it is, our stir-fried chicken with cashew nuts and chilies. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Hit like and subscribe to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.